Okay, I've been gone for a while, but I'm back with a bunch of new content. I mentioned in my dock building video the property I bought back in October, and I'm happy to say I closed on a home adjacent to the land last week, so I'll have many more projects to come, including a lot with this new fixer-upper. When I originally purchased the land, I realized I needed a building to store my lawn care equipment in, but quickly found out that the township would not allow this without a resident on one of the lots. However, sheds of less than 200 square feet without inspection-related elements like foundation, electric, or plumbing could be possible. I realized I had several trees I wanted to cut down, and many more that had already fallen. The light bulb went off, and I decided a log shed could be the answer to my storage problem. So I started by gathering and stacking the logs that were at least 10 feet long. From there was a simple but long process of cutting and placing the logs into a square notched pattern. It was difficult to find the right logs for each spot, but I was able to get the shed to about shoulder height before the winter rolled around. When I got back in the spring, I was able to find enough additional logs to finish building the walls. And for the roof, I decided to place a 15-foot pole cemented 2 feet into the ground, and then placed a frame around the corners of the shed prior to covering it with a thick plastic sheet. I stapled the sheet down and tossed some sticks on top to help secure hay that would be used to absorb weather. Finally, I used some of the extra dock pieces to cover openings and create shelving on the inside, and notch pieces to help fill the holes on the outside. I may add a door and drop some gravel on the ground in the future, but the shed is working great and keeping my stuff dry.